right. So if you look up here, John is gonna take this down because he said he want to keep it consistent.
Oh,
yes, he don't want that plaster.
No, he really taking it down because it's gonna be unlevel.
Yes, that's true.
It ain't gonna match. That's the mean. I thought you were talking about the
No, this right here. He's gonna pull all that down. Yes, we use it. This water line.
Oh, that's a bib. Yeah. That was a little sprinkler? Oh, that was just a faucet he just brought from there.
You know I haven't connected.
That's sewer.
Yeah.
Trying to connect to the sewer.
The sewer down there. This is the general contractor for Radford Homes.
First of all, good evening, everybody. I'm here under duress. But this window had to be changed out because this is the only way out of this house if there's a fire in the hallway. The kitchen is still down the hall to the left. So you have to have what they call egress availability. So if there was a kid in this room, he could just roll out of this window and get to safety. So we have to drop this window about 2 feet to 18 inches above the ground. That's called an egress.
Okay. And that's up to code for 2020 because it also changes, right, T. Gregory?
Well, the new codes came January 1st, but that was already coded. Some other codes did change. So.
All right. Now, I also have, T. Gregory, you have Flea here who does all our concrete for Radford Homes. Did a great job on the new build. And he's going to be pouring new concrete into the hole down there where we had the plumbing redone. All right. So What you got there, Flea? Okay. As you can see right here, all the plumbing has been redone in this house. But, you know, what we have to do is, T. Gregory, we're going to have to put the dirt back equally and leave about 4 to 6 inches. And then Flea below the surface. And then we got to get it sprayed, don't we? Or something like that?
Yeah, we have to have it sprayed for termite control before we put concrete into the hole.
Okay.
So we're going to have Tony, which is known as Flea, to come and rescue these plumbers who fill these holes up too much. And we got to dig down about 4 inches so we can get enough concrete stabilized so we can walk on this floor.
Right.
Okay.
If anybody else want to reach me, it's Tony of All's Concrete Service.
Yes.
863-259-0633.
All right. And Flea, I'm telling you right now, Flea pulled driveways, sidewalks, the whole 9 yards. And he's gonna hook this house up. As you can see, he's gonna be pouring all this concrete back into this bathroom right here where we got brand new plumbing. Yeah, that sounds perfect. T. Greg always take care of me. So that's what we're doing, folks. We over here at nighttime because we had to come and check on the job. We can't wait tomorrow because we got to get a concrete truck, right, T. Gregory?
Right front.
How many yards you think we need, T or Flea? 2 yards and just get.
We're going to pour a little pad outside for your dog.
All right, folks, as y'all know, follow us on all our social media at Radford Homes. And you can see it right there, RADFORDHOMES. And it's just good to have my general contractor come out here this late at night. Oh, T. Gregory, don't you put up fences as well?
Yes, I do.
Okay.
Coach Bell Fence Company out of Winter Haven. Been in business since 1975. 863-294-6003. Any type of fence or barrier needed, we put them up. Give us a call.
All right. And you went and saw a client today that Radford Homes referred you.
Sure did, and I'm going to make a whole lot of money, hopefully.
Got my main man, Mooney. What's up? Don't try to hide from me.
Hey, we can't hide. You take the camera
Everywhere we go. Now, T. Gregory, I noticed outside we got some
properly to the city sewer.
Okay. All right. So
Yes, all of this has to be inspected.
all right. Do you think we're going to be able to make Friday deadline, or we're going to be able to push it back?
If it push it back, it costs money. So no, we're gonna make it.
We're going to make it. Okay. So as you can see, we got plumbing going all the way down here, and as you can see, we got the new block. The block has been cut out right here, and we got the new windows. Hi, I'm Greg, one half of Radford Homes, L.L.C. And my lovely and beautiful wife, Sabrina, well, you know the deal. She's the brains and the beauty behind the operation. But today, salute all Baron. Let's go, baby.
framing out.
All right, what you have here is concrete was cracked,
Reframe it.
so we're gonna be replacing it, putting down new concrete.
Cost-wise, you're gonna rent it, leave it alone. You're gonna sell it, then you talk about rating.
We can knock this wall back if we steal from that other closet.
Then we do it.
All right. We're gonna leave that tub. Might not give us credit for a bedroom. I think we need to do it. Make it.
I'll raise the ceiling if you want.
Yeah, I got you.
Make a nice tray ceiling in there.
Hey,
Yeah.
so this house costs you?
They're not selling it. All right, we got the termite sprayed today. All right, they sprayed all in for termites. As you can see, all the way around here. Flea came in and got all the stuff laid out. Solid.
That tub is old as that
So
tub
we
is
can pour the concrete tomorrow. You kept your tub.
What'd you give me for that?
nothing. Somebody's gonna have that.
Wall up here. Make another
Now, John, tell me the truth. Should we put another wall here and make another bedroom? For
I
concrete.
have another bedroom, but it's just so much combination. You got a door right there. You got a door coming out.
Yeah.
Boom. You're done with it.
Felix, go ahead and open that up. Everything over here. Everything is prepped, ready for concrete tomorrow. Yeah, and
Here you got a broken pipe you gotta fix.
no, I don't.
Yeah, you do.
No,
This is little old thing here. Yeah, this is good.
Yeah.
You can't access it nowhere inside.
shine that up against that. Yeah.
Only through that bathroom.
Right now, listen, John. That ain't what. This. You got to paint all in here. Price from him.
I ain't got no tape measures. I want to come back and do all this shit. Got me out of my element, man.
Well, really not inspection. We just showed that we did get subterranean termite spray by Country
Yeah.
Boys.
On the wall right there, tankless.